Oh my. Actually, that hurts. Oh. Holy crap. It's the worst hail I've ever seen here. Oh, I really got pelted out there. Hope I saved my car though. This is crazy. This is crazy. All the ground is almost covered. It's almost white. Oh, this is unreal. Never seen anything like this. Here it comes again. It's another downpour. Stopping. Still coming down. Oh, this is crazy. This is insane. All our hard work, our plants are getting beat to death. Oh man. This is not good. This is not good. Oh my. Holy crap. Wow. That was a big one. Holy. The worst is over. Now it's starting to rain. The worst is over. Now it's starting to rain. Thank the Lord. God, thank the Lord.